Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering gear and confirming account details. This saves time and prevents interruptions. Connect the coax cable to the modem, then plug in the modem power. Wait for the correct light pattern. This signals it is online. Once the modem shows stable lights, attach an Ethernet cable from modem to the router WAN port. Make sure the router is powered on. Initial flashing is normal. This sequence gets both devices communicating before you proceed to network configuration. You now access the router directly to configure Wi-Fi and security. Connect your device to the router SSID printed on the sticker, then open its admin page using the router IP shown in the manual. Log in with default credentials. Once inside, rename the SSID to something recognizable. Set a strong password and choose WPA2 or WPA3 encryption so devices stay secure. Make sure to save changes and allow the router to reboot. This applies new settings and finalizes the network. You finish by optimizing placement and verifying performance. Move the router to a central, open spot. Reduce interference from thick walls or appliances. Connect one device and run a speed test. Compare results to your subscribed plan so you know if service is normal. If speeds are low or no internet, power cycle modem then router. Wait 1 minute between each. Make sure the coax connection is tight. If issues persist, contact Spectrum support with your modem MAC and activation details. That often resolves line or account faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.